So as you may know, this fell off yesterday. I was doing some tests to see like 0 to 60 on how fast I could go, and the vibrations were just out of this world. The RPMs were super high, probably way too high for a bullet. And then I heard something fall off, and that was it. I looked back and it wasn't there anymore. And I was going back and forth. What should I do? Should I just upgrade it? Should I do something super cool? Should I just go the easy route and go to Hitchcock's motorcycles and just get another replaceable taillight? And that last one is what I ended up doing. So I ordered from Hitchcock's. It came in about 4 or 5 days. It showed up. I looked through it all and I started putting stuff together, just seeing how it's all going to lay out. And unfortunately, I was looking at my bike and I was seeing 6 wires. The Hitchcock's equipment I got was 5 wires, so I knew something was off. So I was using a multimeter and I was trying to figure out how much voltage was going through on the DC and if I was getting any continuity. I don't really know what the hell I'm doing, to be honest, but I kind of gathered enough information from other YouTube sources to figure out what to do. Eventually I found the left and right indicators. They were showing 12 volts on the DC, and from there I just deduced everything else because I couldn't find the ground for some reason. Eventually I did find the ground. I plugged it in and immediately we had some lights on the rear brakes, which was awesome. And then I started putting pieces together. Nothing fully assembled yet, but I just wanted to make sure the lights were going to work properly first. Because there were 6 wires and 5 wires, something wasn't matching up because my rear brake light isn't working unless I have the wires messed up or something like that, twisted up. So let me know, guys, if you know anything about wiring motorcycles, because all I know are the super basics. I did some splicing. I had to adjust some wire length, and I ended up running a ground wire for the right and left indicator all the way to the battery terminal, and I did it kind of in like a chopper style where it wraps around. I think it kind of looks cool. I don't know if it's the safest, and I don't know if it's the most practical way or the smartest way. So if you guys know a better way, yeah, just let me know and I'll do an easy fix on it. So this ended up taking me 2 days to do, just because I didn't have enough time and it took a long time to figure out all the voltage and everything. I wanted to make sure it was all safe and it wasn't just going to catch on fire while I was riding. And then here's the finished product. There you go. So I'm sure it looks like it's a total pain in the ass, and it kind of is a total pain in the ass. But I do enjoy tinkering and working on things, figuring out how things work. And so this Royal Enfield Bullet 500 has definitely taught me some patience. And at the end of the day, I feel like riding a different bike that just works every single time would make things feel just way different. So maybe it's a good thing this thing breaks a lot.